In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect HubSpot and OneSignal using Zapier so you can automatically trigger push notifications based on your HubSpot activity. This is perfect if you want to send real-time notifications when a new contact is created, when a form is submitted, or when a contact property changes inside HubSpot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully automated workflow running in the background without writing a single line of code. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future automation tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to Zapier.com. Log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're inside the Zapier dashboard, click on the button that says Create Zap. This is where we'll build the automation that connects HubSpot and OneSignal. For the Trigger app, search for HubSpot and select it. The trigger is the event that starts the automation. Zapier will now ask you to choose a trigger event. You can select options like New Contact if you want to push notification every time someone is added to your CRM. You can choose Contact Property Change if you want to trigger notifications when a field like Lifecycle Stage or Product Interest gets updated. Or you can choose Form Submission if you want to notify users whenever someone fills out a form on your website. Pick the trigger that best matches your use case. Next, click Continue and connect your HubSpot account. Zapier will prompt you to log in and authorize access. Once connected, select the appropriate account and test the trigger to make sure Zapier can pull in sample data from HubSpot. This step is important because it ensures everything is properly connected before we move forward. Now we'll set up the action step. For the Action app, search for OneSignal and select it. Zapier will then ask you to choose an action event. You can select Send Push Notification if you want to immediately send a notification to your users, or you can choose Create or Update Player if you want to add or update subscriber information inside OneSignal instead. Choose the action that fits your goal and click Continue. Next, you'll need to connect your OneSignal account. To do this, you'll be asked for your app ID and your REST API key. You can find both of these inside your OneSignal dashboard under Settings and Keys. Copy and paste them into Zapier, then click Continue to authorize the connection. Once connected, you can customize your push notification. Enter the notification title, the message body, and optionally add a URL or image. This is also where you can map HubSpot properties into your notification. For example, you can insert the contact's first name into the message to personalize it. You can also include product interest or any other property from HubSpot to make the notification more dynamic and relevant. After customizing the message, click Continue and test the action. Zapier will send a test push notification through OneSignal so you can confirm everything is working properly. If you receive the notification, that means your integration is set up correctly. Finally, click Publish Zap. Once published, your automation will run in the background automatically. Now, whenever your selected HubSpot trigger occurs, OneSignal will send the push notification based on the rules you created. And that's it. You've successfully connected HubSpot and OneSignal using Zapier. This kind of automation can dramatically improve your response time, engagement, and overall marketing efficiency. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.